I'll show you real quick. This is stuff I got from work. More stuff from work. Remember all those aluminum poles in the storage unit? Well, look at all this. I gotta take all this stuff off, take all this plastic off here. Otherwise, this is 8 cents a pound versus, I don't think I have a good example. But imagine this right here, just this stretch, 8 cents a pound, 30 cents a pound. You do the math. Yep. I'm going to take the time to take all that stuff off there. This stuff will go to shred. Today is Wednesday. I did make a street run yesterday, as I said I would in Monday's video, but there was nothing out there. And I'm not going to post a video of me driving around looking at no piles and no peak garbage barrels. I got my coffee. Got the van. Got a little bit of scrap in the back. Got a wire tote started. Got my gloves. And I'm going to tell you something, guys. These right here, these things, screw side cutters. These are tin snips. These will cut through any sized wire like right quick. All right. Do yourself a favor. If you take cords, get these. If you take cords on the road. All right? Even if you don't, these are so much better. They cut right through everything. Okay? All right. I'm going to shut down, recharge the phone some more, and if I find something, we'll go get it together. I don't want the chair, and I don't want the grill, but what I will take, if they're here, are these. If I can get my fingers on them. See if I can lift them out of here with this. That's a start. There we go. That's all I needed was that one. That's all I want out of it. It's a lot of weight. Yeah. Stainless this, aluminum that. But guess what? For a lot of handling, I got 1/3 of the weight for that thing right here. And that's all I want out of it. Because I can chuck this stuff inside of those cabinets. I can store that if I have to. And keep it, fill the van up with it. If I get enough of it, I'll take the cord, but not the printer. What's this? Hey, wait a minute. This is not a printer. Oh, it's a scanner. Flatbed scanner. You know what? I am going to take this, and I'll tell you why. Because I don't want that, though. I'm going to take this because I have never... This is very heavy. And if there's nothing in there I really want, this is 10, 15 pounds right here. I want the cords off of this naturally, but... again, I'm looking for small stuff for, while I have them, those cabinets that I can pack in, stuff inside of them that won't take up space. I'll just take this up front with me. You guys see the opportunity for some quick dirty brass. If I can find the ends real quick. I don't want to waste a lot of time. Okay, so over there. I'll go get it. I'm just gonna take this whole thing. If I find it laying out I'm gonna take it. So I can get that out of the way. Here we go. Oh, come on. Yeah. Thing's so old and dry rotted. Look at how easy I just twisted it a little bit and boom. Came right off. Boom. That's steel. Here's heavy enough to be. Bending up easy like aluminum does. Really? A little bit. Okay, all that nonsense about early the bird gets the worm, it's like I started at 5:30ish this morning. This kind of makes up for all sorts of stuff. Look at that. Like there's 5 of them in one pile. That's pretty sweet. Only now I'm going to start storing these. I am not, I repeat, not taking these in. Look at that. These jokers are big too. Oh, there's 4 of them. Yep, I'm going to start stacking these again. Yeah. Let's... Alright, fine. I gotta make a pit stop here soon, guys. That little bit of coffee I've been drinking is already getting to me. Yeah. There we go. That's not bad. 4 brake rotors. Not bad at all. See, this stuff I like to get. The rest of it I'll take, but if I put like chairs and that grill in here, I'm screwed. I'm done. Look at all the space I have to put this little stuff in. And one of the, maybe 2 of these weigh more than that damn grill does, and any one of these weighs more than that damn chair does. Trust me. That downspout probably weighs more than that chairs do. So no. I'm finally putting my damn foot down. I'm not just taking every damn thing I can get my hands on. Not at the price Shred is right now. Or for that matter, the AutoCast price. The AutoCast, oh Lord. She is cute. That's worth the wait. Okay. AutoCast price. It was at 280 a net ton at the beginning of the year. Well, now it's down to 180. That's hardly worth it. I mean, it's worth it, yes. You're already out, you're picking up stuff, but that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to store it, hang on to it, and hopefully make some profit off it. A little more than what I've been making. See, stuff like that I don't want anymore right now. If I had an empty van and Shred was at least 100 a ton, sure, I'd stop and pick that up and throw it in. But it's not, so I won't. Is that a... it might be. Oh, come on. Damn it. There we go. Is this broke? Hey, you don't throw something like this out. I'm taking that with me. Is this a cord? Okay, this is going with me. The cord's going with me. That's an American flag, y'all. No way. No effing way do you throw that out. That's an abomination to me. That's a gnarly sounding blank. Not that one. This one. Hey. That's got to be fun at 6:30 in the morning. Yeah, you don't throw that out. I'm taking that home with me. That's too cool. Again, guys, we're at the point where I am not taking whole vacuum cleaner. Get in there. Whole vacuum cleaners until I get one's in the storage unit cleaned out. I'm gonna settle for a cord. I'll take that. Some nails in that bucket. Yeah, I don't need any more buckets. I've got plenty of buckets. Oh, come on. Plenty of buckets right now. Don't need them. All right. That's, you know what? I'm gonna take that bucket because inside of it is some sheet aluminum. I won't take that bucket. That's all sheet aluminum in there. I'll take it. Oh, there's 2 buckets. You know, can never have enough buckets, right? They're not big ones. They're, looks like 2 gallon, maybe 3. But I'll take them. It might be 10 too, I don't know. When I saw that, I thought it was aluminum. So, maybe not. Yeah. All right. We'll take what we have here. No complaints. Throw that in there. The reason why I had this situated like this is because I had to put that seat down to get all them rods in there, that stuff. So, all right, we'll be back. A little more dirty brass, guys. Hanging right out of the trash. All right. God, these are so versatile. Wish I could see the other end of this easy, but if I don't hang around. So. I just stepped on my own shoelace. Yep, I'll take one. That's good enough. I mean, it's not much, but it's worth stopping for. Little bits here and there.